And welcome to this short video presentation for a potential short trade in the British pound on the 12th of December 2013. So here we can see we've got the potential trade, we're alerted to it, and then we see the market moving lower towards the entry price, which happens to be at the close pivot. We've also got the scalp near the psychological level of 163.50 as well, plus we've got support here and also here. So around this area we can expect to see some sort of support. So let's just move on and see what happens. The order is qualified and then we see prices starting to move lower, and in just a moment you'll see prices then moving to the downside, and there we see prices moving sharply lower. So let me just speed things up a bit so we haven't got to watch it tick by tick. And there we can see that the scalp price has just been hit. I'll just wind that back a bit for you so you can see the price is moving down to that point. So now we see the scalp being hit. And just a thought, you haven't got to get out of the market at this point. There are three options at least that you can consider doing. The first, of course, is to take the money off the table. The second is that you could move the stop to break even for the whole of the trade, so you're not exposed to the initial stop. And thirdly, you could take half the position off, move the stop to break even, and leave the remaining half to see if the market will actually move lower. So it isn't a case of just having to take the money off the table at this point if you don't wish to. You can be quite flexible in actually managing the trade. So we can see prices finding support here because we've got this to the left. We've also got the psychological area, and we see this with the green candle coming in. Another option is that you could actually consider placing a 50% extension above here, so that would be around the entry price, and you'll see this on the price chart shortly. It's something I actually marked up to show you what is available and possible to do as well, and I will cover this in more videos in the future as well. So the prices are looking weak, and the scalp's been hit on another trade that I'm just currently in, which I will record and show you later. Just one second. So we can see the prices looking weak again. We've got the red there, and again I'm just going to speed this up. We can see a second green bar, and then we're followed by a red bar. So let me just move things along a bit and just see what happens here. So now we see prices moving lower through the psychological level of 163.60 there. And again, I'm just going to speed this up because it was a 3-hour video. So we can see prices moving down now to the next pivot point, having broken the psychological area. So the prices are trading to the low there as well. So what I'm going to do now is just to advance a bit, and we can see the next downside target is the S1 pivot, and prices having moved 53 pips by this point as well. And again, that's the scalp being hit for the 60-minute on a trade that is happening as I'm recording this video. So we can see the market now finding support. We've moved over 50 pips. It's late in the afternoon, so we can expect the market to start trading sideways. If you've not taken the money off the table by this point, then it'd be a good idea to start considering looking at doing that. If not, wait for some strength to come back in the market and then take 50% above, which you'll see me mark up now. Let me just advance so you can see that we've got some support coming into the market there. The volume's dropping off, so the selling is disappearing as well, and in a second or two, there we go. So what I did here was use the extension tool from the markup and placed a 50% above, just to use that as an area of locking in profits, if you like. But as it was late in the afternoon as well, it was a case of really consider just taking the money. And the market came back down to the scalp again, and you can see, sorry, not the scalp, the S1 support there, and you can see it just trading sideways and not really breaking this level at all. So the market then holds sideways for the next half an hour. And if we switch to a live version at the moment, we can see this is the area where we've left off in yesterday's trade, and we can see the market moving up there. This current trade, whilst we're on it, the market put in a potential sell as I was recording this video. The order was filled. I'm actually trading this on another computer screen to the right of me, which I will close out in just a moment. Watch it here in real time. We've got this S1 again here, so what I'm just going to do is navigation. I'm just going to have a look and see what we've got as far as other potential targets. We've got a psychological area here as well. So if the market can't take this area out and drive lower, then it's likely the market's going to come back, and it'll be worth taking the money off the table. So I'm going to go and do that. This is the end of this video. I will see you in the next one. As ever, if you need anything, then do contact support. And in the meantime, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.